Welcome to another episode of the RatsDAO educational series. Today we will be discussing a very important piece of the DAO and how it protects our valuable treasury of NFTs and tokens, the Multi-Sig Wallet. So let's dive into it. First, let's break down the term multi-sig. Multi-sig stands for multiple signatures. The RatsDAO Treasury wallet has 9 trusted members of the DAO as key holders. All of these holders were voted in by the members of the DAO. Out of the 9 key holders, at least 6 are required to input their key in order for a transaction to be approved. Now, when we refer to the word key, we're referring to a unique signature that is generated with the key holder's own wallet password. Prior to signing to confirm any transaction, each holder is able to verify the amount of ADA or NFTs being sent as well as the receiving wallet address. Once the transaction is signed by 6 key holders, it is then submitted to the Cardano blockchain and executed. Let's talk about the benefits of a multi-sig wallet and how it greatly increases the level of security for groups of people or projects that use it. Bad actors. Due to the fact that every transaction in this multi-sig wallet needs to be verified and signed by 6 of the 9 trusted key holders, this process is nearly impossible for a single bad actor to steal from this wallet. The reason is they would have to convince 5 other key holders to sign off on a malicious transaction. With responsible signers, this significantly increases the security of our treasury. Lost passwords. Another benefit to this is if one of the 9 key holders happens to lose their password to their own wallet or gets hacked, there are still 8 more holders capable of signing the transaction. Wrong receiving address. A transaction can be built by any key holder, and that person could make a mistake and input an incorrect receiving address. The nice thing is, there are 5 other people that are able to double check a transaction to make sure it's going to the right place. Unapproved transactions. Miscommunication happens in any organization. Having 6 individual signers assures that unapproved transactions don't get pushed through. Although the power of a multi-sig can also be a weakness in regards to the transaction process being much slower, it also allows members to identify errors during that time it takes to approve a transaction. Overall, the multi-sig wallet is public and anyone can see what is in the treasury and also what leaves the treasury at any time. This is a great asset for RatsDAO to have because of the large amount of people invested into the project. This also helps provide transparency to the community. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope that you tune in to our next video for episode 3.